In this video, I will show you how to set specific ringtones for different contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Open the phone dialer app. Select Contacts. Now select the contact number to which you want to add a different ringtone. Tap the contact profile icon. Tap the three dots icon. Select Change Ringtone. Now choose your favorite ringtone. Similarly, you can add different ringtones to any other contact number if you want. Now select a different ringtone. Now you can hear different ringtones for different contacts on your phone.